What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, where today we will be reviewing the Power Rangers Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin Green Ranger. And here he is. So let's get right into it. All right, so here's what he comes with. Comes with the little blast effect. He comes with the really cool extra head, which is a lot better than the other head that came with the other Green Ranger. He comes with the 2 extra hands and the Sword of Darkness, as well as his Dragon Dagger, which is a little bit updated from the Fighting Spirit one. So here he is. There's a lot of differences from and a big major mistake they made on this figure, which I will get to in a minute. But for now, I'm just showing him off. That's him with the head. That head looks really nice, by the way. A lot better than the other one. And that's him with the 2 additional hands. And the Sword of Darkness. Alright, so here's the new Green Ranger on the left versus the old one that we got with the Fighting Spirit 2-pack, putty pack. So there's a lot of differences here. I mean, let's just go over, first of all, obviously the silver, no silver here. This is more of the classic Green Ranger look that we all love and know. The 2 helmets, the teeth of the dragon, is this one's silver and this one is more like white silver. You can see the details on the shield of this one, the newer one, is, I think, a lot better. Yeah, maybe a little bit better. Slightly more detailed, better paint apps. Obviously the Dragon Dagger holder is more accurate to the show on the newer one. It's black, and on this side, as opposed to the one here, which is white, and on his right side. The Dragon Daggers are also just a little bit different. You see here is a little bit more detail on the newer one, I guess. More yellowish gold. The 2 heads. Obviously the newer one is way better than this like basic Tommy head. So now we come to the big, huge mistake for the new figure. There is no white diamond on his chest. And the same thing goes for the back. Now, this one has the white diamond. And also on the back is connected there. This is an absolutely ridiculous thing to do on a new version of this figure. This is now the second time you've made this figure. and you don't include the white diamond? Really? Come on, man. That's just like, I'm not one of those guys that are like crazy picky about figures, but damn, this is like that's just unacceptable, man. That is unacceptable. How do you miss that? How? That's a huge, huge mistake, man. And that's just something that's, to me, is unforgivable. For many people, like, they wanted this figure because they didn't like the silver. You know, they didn't like the Fighting Spirit one. I get it. They didn't like the silver helmet. They wanted a more classic Green Ranger from, you know, Mighty Morphin. And so, if you wanted to display this guy without his shield, I mean, he's just gonna look ridiculous. You know? This guy, at least, okay, if you displayed him without the shield, he's gonna look, you know, decent. Because he's got the white diamond. But this is just a ridiculous thing to do, man. And this is something I had to rant on because it's just a crazy, crazy big mistake. And something that's just, to me, is unexcusable. Especially the second time you make this figure. You know, come on. So here is the new Green Ranger head with the old diamond body, which is probably what I'm going to be doing. And you could put the old one if you want it on the new body. And there's the new head on the old body. And the old head on the new body. So the pros and cons of the new Green Ranger. Well, he's got better shield. The more accurate dragon dagger holder is also a plus. You got the way better, far superior head. It came with this guy as well. It's far better than this one. But unfortunately, the cons, which is a big one, no white diamond. And it just kind of really ruins the figure, to be honest with you, because if I wanted to display this without his shield for whatever reason, or anybody, you know, it's just gonna look like crap, man. It's just, ugh. Total screw up there. So as far as which one of these two are better, I would actually say neither one of them. What I would do is I would take the torso from the old one and somehow put it on the new one. That would probably be your best figure because you'd have the black sheath and you'd have the new shield, the green, you know, the helmet would be better, and then you'd have the white diamond, which they should have done all along. All they really had to do with this figure was make that white diamond, and it would have been a perfect Green Ranger figure. Pretty much. That's really a big blunder. Really big blunder, man. It's a shame. You know, second go around and they had to, really? You'd make that mistake? Come on. Come on, Hasbro. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.